further carrying on our tradition in C-Series today, we are going to launch Realme C12 and Realme C15 with a super amazing and high-performing big battery. Realme C-Series is undoubtedly real entry-level value king. Let me explain. Realme C2 and C3 are still bestsellers in the entry-level category. Launched not one, but multiple products for every generation of C-Series to cater to the needs of various customers. C11, C12 and C15. Realme C11, our first product under the new C-Series, has got tremendous response. We have sold more than 150,000 units of Realme C11 within just 2 minutes, almost 1250 units per second. We have achieved another milestone recently. We have started local TV production at the Greater Noida facility in India as part of our Make in India initiative. Now the time is here. Realme is thrilled to bring to you 2 new awesome models in the C-Series family, the Realme C12 and the Realme C15. Well, we are not only adding more options for smartphones, but also for the audio category. Today, we are glad to launch the Realme Buds Classic.
Let's take a look at a short video of the Realme C15.
This mega battery will love me every night and day. And I promise you that I will do the same. And I bet no battery will love you the same way. And I bet no battery will love you
6000 mAh battery, quad camera, Realme smartphone, dare to leap.
Let's see a short video of the Realme C12.
I like me, you can have a try. That's the energy.
Realme C12, 6000 mAh battery, triple camera, Realme smartphone, dare to leap.
Entertainment fan, you can enjoy 1200 songs or about 19 movies online. Isn't it incredible? Now, you may be curious how the Realme C12 and Realme C15 can last so long. Introducing the Super Power Saving mode. In this mode, you can select 6 most used apps to be active and achieve an extremely long battery life. At the same time, the phone will turn on a more aggressive power saving strategy. Now, you might wonder, why just 6 apps? Why not more? Well, according to our study on user behavior, most people only use these 6 apps in 70 to 80% of their entire usage time on their phone. The result is quite impressive. With only 5% of battery left, and that's really small, as you might imagine. Reverse charging is also supported in Realme C12 and C15, turning your smartphone into an efficient charging station. The Realme C15 comes with an 18-watt charger in the box. Safety is the most important thing for Realme products. Realme C12 and C15 use fireproof material to prevent the back cover from burning. Additionally, temperature and current sensors are located to monitor any possible risks. The Realme C15 comes with a 13 megapixel primary camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, a black and white lens and retro lens. It can zoom up to 4x and supports face detection autofocus. With exciting features like Chroma Boost, portrait mode and slow motion video recording, the Realme C15 offers everything in a complete package, something that is very hard to find in this segment. The Realme C15's primary camera is excellent enough to capture the best moments of your daily life in perfect snapshots. With the pixel level mapping algorithm of Chroma Boost, the brightness and colors are restored, giving you a better dynamic range, screen contrast and vivid colors. Thanks to the Super Nightscape mode, the Realme C15's night shots surpass competitors in brightness, details and colors. Let's take a look at some sample photos. The core of the camera upgrade is an ultra-wide-angle lens. The Realme C15 features an ultra-wide-angle camera with a resolution of 8 megapixel, an aperture of f/2.25 and 119-degree ultra-wide-angle field of view, which can capture a much wider view. While taking photos of landscapes, buildings, or a lot of people are there in your group photos, you don't have to really step back to take that picture. Just switch to the ultra wide angle mode and with one click you have your picture. Besides that, the distortion calibration happens because if you've used ultra wide angle cameras, you'll know that there is distortion around the corners. That has been done exceptionally well with the Realme's ultra wide angle pictures, and you'll get a beautiful picture every time. The black and white and retro lens provides two more special artistic features for a portrait. These two lenses can reproduce portraits in black and white, providing higher exposure and enhancing the contrast between the light and dark areas of the images, essentially giving you a much better dynamic range to play with. In the portrait mode, exposure, color temperature, hue, and other parameters are repeatedly fine-tuned. In conjunction, the simulation of master portrait works. Photos are tuned to retro film style with wide applicability, adding texture to the final portrait style photos. The Realme C12 is equipped with triple cameras and also has Chroma Boost's pixel level mapping algorithm. The Super Nightscape mode is here also, and with it you can get some really good looking night shots. You also get a black and white lens which provides a real artistic effect, and you can get some real unique shots out of that black and white lens. Now the Realme C12 also comes with a macro lens with 4 cm super close focus distance. Avid photographers can do amazing macro photography with details and explore the charm of the micro world. The macro lens completely changes your perspective of the micro world, and our camera makes sure that you have great details to play with. On the front, an 8 megapixel selfie camera is there on the C15 and can take crystal clear selfies. The camera also supports AI beautification function, HDR mode, portrait mode, and a pano selfie feature so that you can get all your friends in that selfie. Here are some sample pictures showing the bokeh effect and AI beautification amazingly captured from the selfie camera. With all these features at your fingertips, get ready to relish the best camera experience in this segment. The Realme C12 and C15 not only boast fast fingerprint unlocking in seconds, but also supports facial recognition. And with this, you can unlock the Realme C12 and C15 with a single click or glance without compromising on convenience, safety, and more importantly, privacy. Now, let's get ready to uncover another exciting new surprise. The Realme C12 and C15 both come with the biggest display in this segment, which is a 6.5-inch mini drop full screen display, and that mini drop is much smaller than the normal dew drop, making the screen to body ratio as high as 88.7%. And with an aspect ratio, a tall aspect ratio in fact, of 20:9, along with eye protection to reduce any strain on your eyes. The Realme C12 and C15 features triple card slots, which means a dual SIM and a dedicated SD card slot expandable up to 256 GB. So you never have to worry about you running out of space while storing your images, video files, or any other things that you want to save in your phone. When it comes to performance, we have adopted the powerful 64-bit octa-core MediaTek Helio G35 processor under the hood. Now that might sound like a big name, but it is that powerful. Be it for daily use or games, be assured of non-stop and maximum performance. The C15 and C12 are also powered by LPDDR4X RAM, which gives 100% performance improvement compared to LPDDR3. The Realme C15 will be available in two variants, which is 3GB RAM and 32GB storage, and 4GB of RAM with 64GB storage. And while the Realme C12 is available in one variant, which is a 3GB RAM and 32GB storage option. At Realme, quality is very important for us. The Realme C12 and C15 have gone through rigorous testing to give you the best unmatched experience. Let me share with you some astounding stats to verify this. The Realme C12 and C15 were drop tested not just 10 or 15 times, but a whopping 10,000 times. Its USB port that you use so often was also plug and pull tested 10,000 times, and the buttons were tested almost 10 times of that, which is 100,000 times. Now to sum up the brand new Realme C15. The C15 is equipped with a large 6000 mAh battery with reverse charging, 18-watt quick charge and super power saving mode. It also upgrades to the trend-setting ultra-wide-angle quad camera setup and 8-megapixel selfie camera, sports the powerful MediaTek Helio G35 chipset, a large 6.5-inch HD Plus mini drop full screen display, fingerprint scanner, facial recognition, 2+1 SIM card and micro SD card slot, and all of these compact in an extremely attractive geometric gradient design with alluring color tones of power blue and power silver. Now let's take a look at the price of the all-new Realme C15, the quad camera 6000 mAh battery giant. The Realme C15 will be available in two variants, The C15's 3GB RAM and 32GB storage variant is priced at Rs 9,999. The Realme C15's 4GB RAM and 64GB storage option is priced at 10,999 rupees. The first sale of the Realme C15 will be on 27th August 2020, starting at 12 p.m. It will be available on Flipkart and Realme.com and will be available in offline stores on 3rd September. The Realme C15 is definitely your best option under 10K if you need a phone that's equipped with amazing overall experience, featuring quad camera, 6000 mAh battery and an 18-watt fast charging. That being said, the Realme C12 with non-stop performance powered by the massive 6000 mAh battery is definitely another choice in the entry-level segment. The Realme C12 flaunts a long-lasting performance with the huge 6000 mAh battery, super power saving mode as well as reverse charging. In fact, it earns the tag of a pioneer by being the first one to feature the giant massive 6000 mAh battery in the entry-level segment. The Realme C12 is equipped with one of the best 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel triple camera setup in the entry-level genre, along with a 5 megapixel selfie camera as well. Powered by the same powerful MediaTek Helio G35, it comes with a 6.5-inch mini drop full screen display, fingerprint sensor, facial recognition, and 2+1 SIM card slot, which also comes with a micro SD card support. All of these come packed in the hues of Power Silver and Power Blue. Now let's take a look at the price of the Realme C12, the 6000 mAh massive battery entry-level pioneer. The Realme C12 will be available in one variant which comes with 3GB RAM and 32GB storage and is priced at Rs 8,999 rupees. The first sale of the Realme C12 will be on 24th August 2020, starting at 12 p.m. It will be available on Flipkart and Realme.com and will be available in offline stores starting 31st August. Now let's move to another exciting product. Excited to bring you the new wired earphone from Realme, the Realme Buds Classic, available in the timeless classic colors of white and black. Well, I'd say don't judge this book by its cover, because this petite looking earphone hides a huge 14.2 mm audio driver inside. In fact, it is the largest audio driver that we have ever introduced. The Realme Buds Classic provides a high definition microphone as well, which gives you a crystal clear calling experience. The inline button controls your music and calls seamlessly, so you don't need to go through the hassle of taking out the phone again and again out of your pockets. And what do I love the most about the Realme Buds series? The unique organizer strap. Yeah, that strap that we all love is here on the Realme Buds Classic as well. With it, you can keep your wired earphones tidy anytime, anywhere. The Realme Buds Classic is priced at only Rs 399 and will be available for sale on 24th August 2020, starting at 12 p.m. It will be available on Realme.com and Amazon.in. Now we have a surprise for our fans. Introducing the all-new Realme t-shirt for our fans to express their goals and attitude through what they wear. You kept the next line, as you can see, as a blank. You can fill in anything you want. You can fill in your dreams or goals. And the best part is that you can express a new goal each day, as the blank area is easily erasable and you can ride out with a new attitude. For the fans who want to buy the Realme t-shirt, you can grab one on 4th September at 12 p.m. Available only on Realme.com at just Rs 999. That is 999 rupees. That's almost all for today, but we have one more thing for you. We are happy to announce
a grand Realme fan festival, the Realme Youth Days, with offers worth Rs 10 crores.
For our Realme fans on Realme.com, Flipkart and Amazon. Now before I bid adieu, let's check out the new products we launched today. The Realme C15 and C12 will be available on Realme.com, Flipkart and offline stores. The Realme Buds Classic will be available on Realme.com and Amazon.in. You can also buy the Realme t-shirt exclusively on Realme.com. That's all for now. We thank you all for tuning in and being a part of today's launch. We'll be back soon with more products and more surprises for you. Until then, goodbye, stay safe and take care.